JDCap26 here, just do tips and fears and hobbies. And we have the Weihrauch HW45. And this is one of the finest pellet spring pistols you can probably shoot. It's got fluorescent sights back and front, adjustable on the side. Right here, it's adjustable. And the way this operates is it has a latch right here, and you pull it back like this against your chest until it locks. Okay, it'll lock vertically for low power and then all the way for full power. You put the pellet in here. There's a tube right in there. You put the pellet. This is 2.2 cal. You close it like this, snap it shut. This is the safety right here. See the safety? That's the safety. It has wooden grips, and I put a Pierce grip on it, which is a rubber grip. It's about $10 to get. And you'll find this model on Airguns of Arizona, so a shout out to them. And it shoots like that. It's not too bad in sound. It's user friendly, sound wise, and it's very, very accurate. So that's the Weihrauch HW45. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe.